This video shows how to install a GunWraps AK-47 kit step by step. Quick safety first. Always treat every firearm as loaded until you've personally confirmed it's clear. Have your AK-47 unloaded, tools, and gloves ready. You'll need a degreaser, isopropyl alcohol, a lint-free cloth, a soft brush, hobby knife, heat gun, hand squeegee, an optional adhesive promoter and application gloves. Step 1. Cleaning and surface prep. Proper surface preparation is essential for a clean, long-lasting wrap. Thoroughly inspect and clean your AK-47. Confirm the rifle is unloaded. Remove oil and grease using a gun safe degreaser, and use a soft brush to clean crevices and recessed areas. Wipe all surfaces with isopropyl alcohol to remove any remaining residue. Wash your hands after cleaning to keep oils off the surface. Dry with a lint-free cloth or allow the rifle to air dry. Step 2. Layout and preparation. Lay out all universal pieces included in your kit before starting. Take your time removing pieces from the backing sheet, especially thinner sections, as they can tear easily. Your kit includes pieces for the right-hand grip, left-hand grip, safety selector, right receiver, left receiver, dust cover, magazine, foregrip, right rear sights, left rear sights, buttstock, patch strips, and cut strips. Some pieces include relief cuts to help the vinyl conform around curves and edges. Test fit pieces before committing and keep the pattern direction consistent across the firearm. Step 3. Receiver, dust cover, and selector preparation. Before installing the main receiver sections, slide the selector switch a few times to identify where the wrap will need to be trimmed later to maintain proper functionality. Apply a cut strip underneath the safety selector area. The vinyl will be installed directly over this cut strip. Apply the receiver pieces as shown, starting with larger flat sections first. Line them up carefully and apply firm pressure using your fingers or a glove. Because AK platforms vary, light trimming may be required for a clean, custom fit. Line up the top pieces one at a time using the small V notches to help find center alignment across the dust cover and upper receiver areas. Press down the center first, then work outward evenly. Trim excess material after full placement. Optional. Primer can improve long-term durability in areas prone to lifting, such as corners, edges, or tight recesses. Use 3M Primer 94 Adhesive Promoter to reinforce adhesion in these areas. Activate by crushing the marked dots to saturate the sponge tip. It dries clear with no residue. Apply lightly only where needed and avoid overstretching the vinyl, as this can weaken the adhesive. Step 4. Grip, foregrip, and buttstock installation. Apply the right and left-hand grip pieces, aligning carefully and pressing from the center outward to conform around contours. Install the foregrip and buttstock pieces next, ensuring the pattern flows naturally from the receiver sections. Apply firm pressure and trim as needed for a custom fit. Heat edges lightly to secure adhesion. Install the rear sight pieces carefully, centering each piece before applying pressure. Small components benefit from slower placement and controlled pressure. Step 5. Selector trim and magazine installation. Carefully cut along both sides of the cut strip under the safety selector to restore full selector movement without tearing the wrap. Remove the excess vinyl and tape. For the magazine, align the mag wrap to the center of the front using the V-cuts as guides. Wrap one side first, applying light heat and slight bending to follow the shape of the magazine. Relief cuts assist with shaping. Trim as needed, then wrap the opposite side. Inspect all edges. Apply controlled heat across the entire firearm to lock the vinyl in place and ensure full functionality of all moving components. That's it. Double-check fitment and edges, store tools safely, and enjoy your protected firearm. GunWraps products are proudly made in the USA, waterproof, non-reflective, and built to last. Protect, personalize, and style your firearms with confidence.